Hey guys, got a 2023 BMW 218 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure all in on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash. I'm going to use the controls in the centre console down here. So from here, we're going to press the home button. Then we're going to scroll down till we get to car. Click the dial in, then scroll down to vehicle status, then click on tyre pressure, then tyre settings. Then first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press start tyre recognition. And then all you do now is drive around for about a mile, and then it'll recognise the new pressures, and that's it, it'll store it.